Microphone check, 1 2 1 2. We rolling. Yo, what is going on, everyone? My name is Drew. What it do? Hopefully you are having a fantastic day today. And in today's video, we're gonna be talking about one of my most favorite sustainable brands out there, United by Blue. Let's get into the video and get into the unboxing. Before we get into this unboxing, I want to tell you guys a little bit about United by Blue. It was founded in 2010 with the mission to help improve the planet through sustainable product for that. One of my favorite brands out right now because of the fact that they emphasize sustainability. They have organic cottons in their fabrics. They use recycled polyesters, and they're just a great brand that is trying to make the world and the fashion industry a little bit better of a place with the products that they put out, man. They also do a lot of charitable efforts in the community, picking up trash, making sure that people are educated about the importance of, you know, taking care of the planet and taking care of your environment. It's just a great all-around brand, and I'm excited to show you guys what I have in the box. All right, let's get this thing unboxed. This isn't actually these aren't my first items from United by Blue. I have a few other items that I'm also gonna show you guys later on in the video. But this is more apropos or appropriate for spring. And so the things I wanna show you guys that's in this box are these 3 items, man. So you can kind of see how the packaging was done, very simplistic, minimalistic. What we have here is we have a bucket hat. So I actually got 2 bucket hats from United by Blue. Bucket hats are perfect for the springtime, especially in Colorado. This is a great one. Let me see if I can get this a little bit opened up to where it's not all crumpled. But so this is one of their buff buckets. It's just a gray bucket hat. But the thing that's super dope about it, I think it's either organic. Yeah, I think it's organic cotton. So the entire thing is made of organic cotton, and then like some of the elastic materials are recycled plastic or recycled polyester for that matter. So I have this gray colorway and then I have this. This is more of like a tan mustardy bucket hat, right? Also a really nice one, really dope bucket hat. And then I actually got just a simple like baseball cap as well, which is like, it doesn't have a latch in the back. It's more so of an elastic kind of latch in the back, which I think is really interesting. Absolutely. Am I recording? Is this being recorded? Yeah, it is. I don't know why I had to check that. But yeah, so there's these 2, and there's this. And then also they have a cleaning kit, which is really interesting. That offers you the ability to like clean up your environment. So like obviously like they gave me like some gloves that'll help clean some things up that says United by Blue on them, which is super dope. And then like a handkerchief or a bandana kind of thing. And then I'll make sure to put B-roll of all these things in a second. And then we have I think this is a bag. No, what is this? Yeah, this is a bag, essentially. So basically, this is like a bag that you can use to help put the trash in once you clean it up. So like, they're a huge advocate of helping the environment. So these are the 2 gloves. Helping the environment, picking up the trash around you, and doing things like that. And so they're more positioned as a outdoors brand, but I think that, you know, for my subscribers, for people who know me, you can also, you know, pair these things in the kind of streetwear, street style space. Obviously a cap is going to be good for forever, but like I'm saying with the bucket hats, these are going to be some great items which I'll get deeper into, that I think will provide a lot of wear and a lot of use for the spring and summer of 2021. So let's talk a little bit more in depth about the products that I received from United by Blue. So the bucket hat, this is like the mustard yellow kind of bucket hat. Like I said, it's organic cotton all the way through and through. One of the things that is a staple for United by Blue is that on their hang tag it says, for every product purchased, United by Blue removes 1 pound of trash from ocean and waterways. And so that's a huge aspect of the brand. That's kind of why I really support the brand, is just their community outreach. The bucket hat is a relatively simple bucket hat, feels really good. It's organic cotton, which is you know, good to the touch, nice to the touch, but it's a very simplistic product, right? It's not going to blow you away, but it doesn't really need to. It's a great product. The next thing I have is the gray bucket hat, and the gray bucket hat is exactly identical to that kind of mustard one. Has the same kind of featurings, and you know, looks relatively good on head, and I'm really excited to just pair these with some fits and just be comfortable in the summertime, man. The bucket hat is just a summertime, a springtime essential, and I absolutely love what UBB United by Blue has done with this bucket hat, and I duly recommend you, if you're looking for something like this for the springtime, check them out. And we'll kind of get into how you can check them out in a second. Lastly, like I said before, is the baseball cap. The baseball cap is, you know, just a simple little baseball cap. Once again, just really simple. I prefer items from a brand that are pretty simplistic, unless it's something that really catches my eye and I really like. But the baseball cap is just going to be a nice little addition to the collection. I have a lot of items, obviously, that I'm going to come out with. So headwear is something that I really, you know, enjoy and kind of indulge in when I want to support or look at other brands. And the fact that the brand is a sustainable brand is top notch. Yeah, this is also 100% organic cotton, which is super dope. And I mean, you can't really beat it, man. It's just simple products that are doing well for that do good for the environment and are simple enough that they can be paired with a whole bunch of things. There's not like crazy branding on them. This is the only one that really has like true branding. So I'm going to show you guys a few of the items that I received from United by Blue in the kind of fall winter time of 2020. I'm actually partnering with United by Blue, essentially part of their program where I can actually give you guys a discount on some of these items. And I wouldn't be doing this if I didn't wholeheartedly believe in what United by Blue stands for, or if I didn't really love their products. I'm going to show you guys two of my favorite items that I received from them. One is like a sweater, like a perfect little like Christmas time sweater. Another one is like a more like heavy duty jacket. And their products are simple enough that I pair them with the things that I use and wear and post on my Instagram. So they definitely can go with any kind of fashion Instagram. And they're also just great products, man. One of my favorite sustainable brands for sure. But let me show you guys what they've given me in the past, so you guys can see the range in which the items that they have. These bucket hats are available right now, and then we'll talk about it after I show you guys what I received before. The clips that you guys should have seen are messed up because the audio was messed up. But essentially what I was trying to say, guys, is that if you guys are interested in any of these items, there's a link down in the description. I actually partnered with United by Blue to kind of talk to you guys about some of these items. I wouldn't partner with them if I didn't believe in what they do, if I didn't think that their products were good products. And so I'm really excited for their spring collection, man. I think these are going to be great bucket hats. I'm going to be styling these on my Instagram. The link in the description can be used, and if you guys want an additional 20% off, please feel free to use the code, which is Drew20, for an additional 20% off. I think you guys will get a lot of value if you guys purchase some of these bucket hats. I think the bucket hats are above the baseball cap. They're my favorite items, and they're really the items that I'm going to be wearing a ton in the springtime. They're great for springtime. They're $27, I believe, on United by Blue's website. So take an additional 20% off, and that's a decent deal for some bucket hats. And I think that, you know, the fact that they're sustainable, the fact that United by Blue cares about sustainability is a really cool thing. So definitely take a look at that if you're interested. This is pretty much it for the video, you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I enjoyed making this video. It was kind of all over the place, man. Just because, like I don't know. Today has just not been the smoothest of days when it comes to making videos on YouTube, so please bear with me, guys. I appreciate all support, and I'll see you guys in tomorrow's video. I'm trying to do a video every day this week, so if you guys are, you know, hungry for some content, I'm going to be providing. I'm calling it a daily dose of Drew, man. So if you guys enjoy the videos, I'm going to be doing some stuff about sneakers, some more workwear stuff. Obviously this is kind of in the realm of like springtime fashion, so I'm going to be doing different things like that. But hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. Like I said, I'm spreading peace, love, and positivity to you, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Have a wonderful rest of your day. Peace.